Here at the bank, what the hell? Like everybody else, my wife made me spend a bunch of money this holiday season. So because I'm poor right now, what I'm gonna do is take all the change from most of my vending machines. All the overflow be in the bags. Gold mine, we got Thanksgiving, Christmas dinner. That was one. Two. Glory be to God, I'm not bragging about money. So, another spot, grabbing more money. I'm gonna let Deshay grab this one. Get that muscle memory. It's that little box. Go down. Look.
That's something.
Okay. We just got to another location, so we're gonna keep grabbing this money. I think I took this one already. Another spot. Only a little bit of change. We're gonna hit one more. Okay, so let's see how much this one has. A little something. Here at the bank. Let's see how much change we got. It's a little change machine. My girl gets free coin cashed in.
That's crazy.
So $337. That means we get to eat a Christmas dinner. We did, y'all. Running around. 371, 373. This is good, boy. Crab, boy. All right.